Poor cooling in injection mould tools causes temperature differentials which can have major effects on dimensional accuracy of plastic parts that can cause distortion or uneven shrinkage. Conformal cooling allows for improved part quality and reduced cycle times and ultimately cost. Traditionally, cooling channels are made by drilling straight holes and cross-drilling at 90 degrees to link them together. The problem with this is that the cooling water is often at some distance from the mould surface and as a result has limited effectiveness. With our hybrid metal additive manufacturing technology, parts are grown on a layer by layer basis. That means that we can build conformal cooling channels into the tool design near to or conformal with the mould surface, exactly where they are needed. This ensures optimum cooling with minimum cycle times. This is especially effective for complex parts or where cooling channels need to follow curved or convoluted surface features. We can create conformally cooled injection mould tool inserts quickly and competitively. It's a great solution. It'll improve your part quality and reduce cycle times. If you'd like to know more, then please do get in touch with our design team.